Hello folks, and thank you for stopping by. Well, we're doing another reaction video, and this time we're reacting to a video suggested by one of my followers, subscribers, and basically they like ELO music, and one of the music tracks they wanted me to react to was from one of their albums, and it's based, and I also had to look up the video for it too, and basically the song we're going to react to is called Last Train to London, and it's from, of course, the Electric Light Orchestra, ELO. So we're basically going to go ahead and react to it and have some fun with it and everything, and you probably already noticed already I got some new lights and everything, so we're going to be playing with those as well. So you know what, let's go and get at it. Oh wow. You know what, that's a chance. Just playing around with this little thing. Let's do this. Yeah.
It was 9:29.
Yeah.
9:29 Backstreet Big City. The sun was going down. There was music all around. And that's alright. It was one of those nights. One of those nights when you feel the world stop turning. You were standing there. There was music in the air.
I just can't believe
Should have been away.
I never heard this before.
Last train to London.
This is my first time listening to it.
Just
Wow.
heading out. Last train to London. Just leaving town.
Get down the way he's playing. Is all in
I
there?
really want tonight to last forever. I really want to be with you. Let the music play on down the line tonight. It was one of those nights.
It's got sort of an interesting disco feel to it.
Fire is burning. Everybody was there. Everybody to share. It was alright. And you were on your own, looking like you were the only one around.
How come I never heard it? Maybe I weren't around discos as much. I don't know.
I should have been away, but I knew I had to stay. Last train to London. Just heading out. Last train to London. Just leaving town. But I really want tonight to last forever. I really want to be with you. Let the music play on down the line.
Okay, so I know the guy's playing the violin, but I think I'm trying to remember my music class. The other two that's back there is playing, I think it's called the cello, if I'm not mistaken. Let me know in the comments if I got it right.
Underneath the starry sky, time was still, but eyes must really have rushed by. I didn't realize, but love was in your eyes. I really should have gone, but love went on and on. Last train to London.
I mean, this is like interesting. It's like,
Just heading out. Last train to London. Just leaving town. But I really want tonight to last forever. I really want to be with you. Let the music play on down the line tonight.
you know what?
I really want tonight to last forever. I really want to be with you. Let the music play on down the line.
This is groovy. I'm telling you, it's got like a. How come I never heard this before? A Was I too busy? Golly. Man. Wow. Wow, wow. Oh, oh. Folks, I don't know what to say right now. That is like awesome. All right, wow. Thanks for that person for recommending me to react to this particular song and everything. That looked good. The video looked good. The music sounded good. What can I say? And this is literally my first time hearing it. Wow. Well, thank y'all for stopping by. And before y'all leave, feel free to hit that button down there, hit the subscribe button so you get all the new updates on our next reaction and everything. And of course, every once in a while, my wife likes to stop by and do her reactions as well. So she's definitely on this channel now. So feel free, to get her too. Just subscribe to this channel and you'll see everything. And we plan on doing other things on here too. So thank you for stopping by and have a wonderful day.